What's going on, everybody? It is day 22. Pretty sure it's day 22. We're in Alexandria, Virginia, right by Arlington. We don't really know what we're doing today. We think that we're going to go down into the campground, Pocahontas campground. It's $35 a night there, which isn't cheap for camping. It's a state park. And this hotel was, it's fine, but the TV didn't work. One of the lights in the shower didn't work. It's not the worst hotel in the world, but it's definitely not the best either with the quality. And again, we're in Alexandria, Virginia, I believe. Anyway, I think we're gonna drive down into Fredericksburg, which is like 40 minutes or something below us, south of us. Check that out. Maybe meet up with a friend of mine. All right.
Is this Charlotte Street?
Take the next left onto Charlotte Street.
I definitely like the old buildings. Although I like the vibe of Richmond, though. I don't know that I'd want to live all the way out here. Not that it'd be terrible, but I kind of want to live in town. You're okay being in our documentary, right?
Absolutely.
Because I've been capturing like hours of footage all the way across the country. So we're here with Mr. Stoneheart, the man, the myth, the legend himself.
The realist, AKA Iceberg Simpson, AKA the Bowtie Realtor. Just going over how I'm probably going to duck out of a golf commitment because I'm terrible.
That's no excuse.
I know, but also I like to keep the atmosphere of me just being awesome. And if I play
I get
golf,
that.
it's not, the illusion's going to be very quickly shattered.
So tell us on Fredericksburg, Mr. Simpson.
Fredericksburg goes back way, way, way back. You've got underground caves and tunnels that I'm really hoping to get to. Yeah, but tickets for it sell out every year pretty quickly. So I'm hoping this is my year because I've never seen them.
That is awesome.
There are houses where George Washington stayed over.
Really?
Yep. You've got buildings there, like you'll kind of see just an odd star placed on the building, and that's where cannon fire from the Civil War hit it. DC, like, about 45 minutes an hour north, depending on traffic. You've got Richmond, 60 minutes south. If you want big, you want culture, you want events, you can go there. But we do have our own Riverside Dinner Theater.
Very nice.
I would say at least 5 different breweries within 4 miles of us. Fine dining, battlefields and parks to hike and to just kind of take in the nature. The Shenandoah Mountains, you've got Blue Ridge Mountains, and I guess most importantly, you have me.
All right, so we're leaving Fredericksburg. We're heading down to Pocahontas State Park campground, sorry. But Fredericksburg was nice. It's a nice town, low population, friendly people. It was a great coffee shop. They had several options for vegan people like Inga and myself, so that was nice. Even got myself a breakfast sandwich, which I haven't eaten yet, but I'm gonna eat here in a little bit. The coffee was great. And then, all the cool buildings and stuff are really cool, the old architecture here in town. But we're heading back on the highway, heading to our campsite. Right, so we have made it to Pocahontas State Park in Virginia. We're just a little bit south of Richmond, and it's a great site. Cost us like $47 for the night, which is a little bit higher than some places, but we got access to showers and bathrooms across from us here, and on our site we have electric and water if we need it. So we're okay. It's cheaper than a hotel either way. Been in a hotel the last 2 nights due to circumstances because we wanted to do more driving and stuff like that. So we're happy to be camping again. It has been raining off and on all day, so we're probably gonna get a little bit wet tonight, but we're not gonna bring the canopy out or anything. We don't want to pack that thing away wet in the morning. So we're just gonna kind of deal with it. we were gonna do laundry because they had a laundry facility here, but a lady in the laundromat told us that she couldn't get any of the machines to work, so we might not be doing laundry, it sounds like. All right, so we just got the back all redone and the blankets kind of cleaned up. It's looking all nice and comfortable in there for tonight. It's actually 81 degrees though, so it's nowhere near cold at this point, although it's raining. It's definitely warm, but very nice state park so far. Nice folks. Nice and green here. Anyway, we're about to cook dinner here. Fire is going. My battery went dead while I was filming me getting the fire going, as I was struggling to get the fire going with the humid south air here. But anyway, southern air. We're gonna cook these mustard baked beans and
my favorite,
Dr. Pepper, and some hot dogs. It's starting to rain on us a little bit. We'll be nice and dry in there, but it's just gonna make it more humid and kind of muggy in there with the extra moisture. That's okay, we'll be all right. It's not cold by any means. I think it's still like 75 degrees here. We're still cooking our dinner over there on the campfire. We got some light hot dogs going on with some barbecue sauce and some mustard. Was it mustard barbecue baked beans?
Yeah.